So you see right there, that's the best place you can come chill, relax, enjoy the beautiful view. And so you see from this place right here, this is it, how everything is right here. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and if it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I really appreciate if you share it with your friends. Thank you so much. So kindly guys, thank you so much for 2k subscribers. Just an amazing journey. So on today's video, in a super special video, I'm coming live from the floating restaurant right there. It's just an amazing restaurant right here. You can come, pay a visit, relax, enjoy your, if you take hard drink, they have all sorts of hard drink right here, soft drink, all sorts of soft drink right here. Those who can have amazing meal here. Don't forget your children back at home, come with them here. They also have their mates right here, the playground right here, just amazing. So I'm going to take you through this place, show you the amazing places, amazing seats, how this place is. So in short, to be a restaurant review. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. So you see from that place right there, we have this amazing graphic right there, amazing graphic on the table. Also we have these stones right here. It's just purely made traditional. It is a stone, not a tone. So that's it. You can sit right here, enjoy everything. You see, very comfy. So you can sit from this side right here and see the amazing beautiful view of the other side right there. That's my friend Edward. And also you enjoy the breeze from this great Indian Ocean right here. So you see the way this place is, the nature is on another vibe. You see, green, evergreen, very best, chill, you relax. You see the way my brother right here is chilling. You see, he's just asleep on this thing. Maybe you should say hi, bro.
Yeah, hi guys.
Yes.
Claude Joseph.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
Man, look the way he's relaxing. Mombasa, man, bro. Enjoy. Yeah. Peace. So you see, even this right, the other place right here, we have another amazing grass, and also you see the other place right there, very best, amazing seats. If you don't want to sit on this tall like stool, you can sit in these short stools right here. If you don't want to sit in these short stools right here, you can sit in these sleeping couch right here, the way my brother is enjoying. And also they have these amazing comfy, what we call like pillows, you see, as you enjoy the cool breeze from the other side. So this is the annex of that floating restaurant right there. You see, this is the annex. So it's just an amazing place. And you see the tactic made of these what you call like chairs. They're just made traditional. And also we have these traditional attires right here, the Maasai culture. So you see this way. And also you can come charge your phone from the other side right there. We have a charging phone. You can charge your phone right there. People are enjoying, so I want to avoid them. Also you can sit right here. You see, amazing place. You can come chill, enjoy and relax. So you see the other side. So look at these chairs right here, look. So we just started from the other side of that place, that view, the other side right there, just amazing, really nice. So look at the chairs right here, very best. Man, I recommend to you, if you want to be paying a visit in Mombasa, also you have a place where you can come do some what you call like weddings, pay a visit at this place. They have a big playing ground, a big enjoying place right here. You see, you can come, relax, enjoy, look at those things right there. You see it, you enjoy. And also very spacious. It's very spacious. Have palm trees right here, a nice place you can come, chill, relax. Also we have these small what you call like chairs right here. Look, they are made from trees, what you call like sticks. So sticks are just taken that way. And we see the tables right here. That's the table. This is how the table looks like. Also you can be maybe sitting right here and you see the amazing ocean view right here. It's also, you can see the sunset and the sunrise from this place. And also if you are a fan of boat riding, You can ride a boat from after maybe eating, also drinking your drink. You can see the amazing view right there. So as you are from this side, you can sit here and enjoy what we call like the amazing place right here. You see, amazing view of this place, the other side right here. So let me take you to this place right here. You see the way it's very spacious. So this is where we can play what they say like maybe a reggae zone. Everything is just amazing. So you see even this place right here. So this is a giraffe. This is a giraffe right here, a carved giraffe. So it's just an amazing place, flowers everywhere. So one thing I love about so one thing I just came to love about this place is very nice, very cool, no noise, a stress-free zone, and also they preserve the nature, you know. The environment is very clean, very nice. You can come, drink, enjoy, also have everything right here. So also we have what we call like the gym place. This is the gym place right here. So it's called Maureen's restaurant. So we have this a Choma zone right here. It's called Choma zone. Also we have the Maureen's gym cuisine right here. You can have your menu. You can see the way it is very cheap, guys. You see T-bone, beef, choma. The other side you see blah blah blah. It's very nice. Party. Perfect venue for birthdays, weddings and functions. Your name, the occasion, we rise to your occasion, all under roof. Very nice, very nice. So we may be sitting at this place right here. You see these types of stool right here, and also they dedicate to you one love right here, and you may be watching your football right there. You see we have a very big flat screen right there. So you see this how everything looks like. You see, man, seats are all over. This is the best place you can come, enjoy, relax, enjoy your drink, how everything. Also we have a pool table right there, so you can enjoy your pool right here, enjoy everything. And also my friends right there, they're just right there, you know. Maybe if you say hi, bro, right there, you see. So this is the gym bar right here, an amazing place. You see, look at the roofing right here, a nice place, man. Look, fans, speakers everywhere. And also I was told that they have darts. Have you ever heard of that? So we have a dart right here. So you step from this, you see this is a red line right here. So you step from this side and you play darts for the other side right there. So if you know how to play that, that's it. You see. So we have a windmill right here and also a windmill on the other side. So for those people who have never played darts, so this is darts right here. That's darts. And also we have an amazing mirror right here, a very best mirror. You can sit at this place right here. It's called an airbag seat. This one, airbag seat. You relax, look at this painting, just a nice place. You sit, you relax, you enjoy everything. A big flat TV right there, watch football, everything. A nice pool table right here, you see. For those people who know how to play pool, this is it. Yeah, so with me I wanna be saying thank you so much for being on new in this channel, and if it's your very first time, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video. I'm coming live from Maureen's floating restaurant, the only floating restaurant right here. Maybe I should be showing you how it looks like at this evening time, because it's just a kind of another vibe, a very chilling vibe. So if you are here and you haven't subscribed, you are missing a lot, guys. You are really missing a lot, you know, really missing a lot. So look at that place right there. Look, you see the way it is, it glows at night. You see, it glows at night. Very nice, very best place you can come, chill, relax. So thank you so much, and if it's your very first time on this channel, subscribe, share with your friends. I really appreciate. So let me head home. Bye bye, peace.